press it. Mm. Oh no! Ooh, no! There's no shot. There's actually no way I just unboxed this. Or, well, my cat unboxed it. Like, literally, it's a StatTrak knife. Rust coat. It is battle scarred, but it looks really nice for a battle scarred. I literally just unboxed a knife like 1 week ago. Where is it? Right here. It's still not even tradable yet because it's only been a week since I unboxed it. My god, you get all the treats, all the treats, all the treats. Eat it, eat it, eat it. Yes. Damn. Let's go in the light. It's kind of clean. Kind of clean. Best cat in the world. Miss Cat, I love you. So sleepy.